In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google features to efficiently set an image as a background in your Canva project. Whether you want to personalize your designs or create visually striking presentations, setting the right background can make all the difference. Let's walk through each step to make this process seamless and easy for you. First, you'll need to navigate to your Canva project. If you're using Canva for the first time, simply head over to your Canva dashboard where you'll find your existing projects. Open the project where you want to set a new background image. It's crucial to have a project in mind, as this will allow you to see how the changes you make affect the overall design. Once in the project, the interface might seem a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar, but don't worry, most of the tools you need will be right at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to prepare the image you wish to use as your background. This could be an image from your device or one you've selected from Canva's media library. Canva provides a diverse range of images, so you can choose one that complements your design theme. Once you've identified your desired image, simply right-click on it. A menu will appear, and from there you'll need to select Set Image as Background. Doing so will adjust the image to perfectly fit the canvas of your project. This step effectively transforms your image into the backdrop for your entire project, giving your design a cohesive look. This is especially useful for projects where a specific theme or aesthetic is desired throughout. It also saves time since the image automatically adjusts to the correct dimensions of your project, sparing you from additional resizing tasks. And just like that, you're done. Your selected image is now set as the background of your Canva project. This simple, efficient process allows you to quickly customize your designs and presentations, making them uniquely yours. Remember, having the right background can not only support your visual structure, but also set the mood and tone for your audience. To recap, simply navigate to your desired Canva project, prepare by selecting the image you wish to use, and set it as your background with a quick right click. With these steps, you'll have a professionally polished look in no time. Thank you for tuning in today to learn this straightforward yet impactful feature. Be sure to practice this a few times to get comfortable, and soon it will become second nature. Happy designing, and I look forward to seeing the creative projects you'll be able to produce with this skill under your belt.